The Nike Vomero 18 arrives as the newest chapter in Nike's trusted running shoe line, blending comfort, performance, and refined style. This release features a soft color palette of pale ivory, coconut milk, pink glow, and black, creating a warm and premium visual appeal. What sets this version apart is the detailed stitching on the mesh upper, adding a subtle three-dimensional texture that feels handcrafted and unique. The off-white base is layered with gentle coconut milk tones, giving depth and richness to the design. Black swoosh branding keeps the look grounded, while pink glow accents on the heel, tongue, and stitching add a refined pop without overpowering the shoe. Underfoot, the thick sculpted midsole delivers the cushioning Vomero is known for, offering stability and comfort for long runs or daily wear. The black and beige outsole completes the look with durability and contrast. The Vomero 18 balances athletic performance with modern street style, making it a versatile option for runners and lifestyle wearers alike.